So what's up, guys? Just thought I would make this little video. Um, I just recently got into rebuilding coils. Here's my Kangaroo 2 on my Vamo, and I rebuilt the coil with 32 gauge Canthal, a 132, 134 drill bit is what I wrapped my coil around. I did about 6 wraps, and um, let's see. You can see the ohms right there. This is 2.7 ohms, and I'm vaping it at, let's see, 4.2 volts. We're gonna rock it at 4.4, and I'm just gonna give you a demonstration of this vaping. Damn. I'm to be honest, I'm extremely happy. First coil that actually worked, I was using 28 gauge Canthal with cotton wick, and I got a 1.6 ohm coil, and it just didn't. The draw was too much, and it felt like it was fucked up. So I did this with, again, 32 gauge Canthal, 6 wraps, with silica wick, um, and loving every second of it. I'm gonna go out with style and give you guys one last little demonstration of this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Um, if you could hit the like button and maybe the subscribe button. Deuces.